The attendance activity in Moodle allows you to keep track of student attendance. It can also be used to track participation as well as attendance. The attendance activity operates like a mini gradebook, allowing you to score multiple sessions that aggregate to a total in the gradebook. To create an attendance activity, turn editing on and select the place on your course homepage where you would like to house the activity. I suggest the top of the page for easy access throughout the semester. Click Add an Activity or Resource, select Attendance and Participation, and click Add. If you would like to change the name of the activity to just Attendance, you can make that edit here. Indicate whether this will be a graded activity or no points, and if graded, the max points. You can leave the max score at 100 and weight it as a percentage of the final grade in the gradebook. Then click Save and Display. Click Status Set to create the grading scale for each class section. The default is a scale for evaluating participation as well as attendance. You can make any adjustments to this scale that you want. Moodle will do the calculations and adjust the scoring to the max points you selected in the settings. You can put numbers instead of letters in the acronym column, although it won't accept a 0 here. Make sure you update before adding any new items. If you are simply recording attendance, the best scale might be a simple present equals 1 and absent equals 0. Then click Add Session to create all the class meetings. Indicate the date and time of the meetings. Note that the menu is in military time. If you leave the description empty, the default title for each session will be Regular Class Session. Or if you want, you could change it to something that better describes the session. Scroll down and open the Multiple Sessions category and check the box next to Repeat the Session above as follows. Check the boxes next to the days of the week your class will meet. If you are teaching a hybrid course that meets every other week, change the 1 to 2 under Repeat every week. Then select the date for the end of the semester. Note, if your meeting schedule is irregular, you may need to add sessions individually. Click Add. You should now see all of the class sessions. If you need to delete a session, you can click the X to the right. To record attendance or participation, click to open the activity on the course homepage. Then click the green button to the right of the session. Please note, if you do not see your sessions, click the All tab on the top right. The student roster appears on the left. The scale acronyms appear along the top of the page. To score, click the appropriate radio button. To streamline grading, if most students will receive the same score, you can click the radio button for that score at the top of that column. This will mark that radio button for all students. Then make any adjustments required for students who have received a different score. There is also a place to add written feedback. Please note that students will only see this feedback in the activity itself. It will not appear in the Moodle gradebook. In the gradebook, students will see a perfect score until the points are deducted. The activity scores this way in order to give a current assessment in the course total. Click the Report tab to get an overall view of student scores. You can ignore the numbers at the bottom of each session column, as these are simply a count of the number of marks. The attendance activity is FERPA approved. Students will only see their own scores in the activity.